Let's do this. Timer starts now. I hope you enjoy our first game. So you can now, guys, give your first word. Okay, Charmaine, Cope, you got the first word, yata, no? Yes, COPE. That's a good word. COPE, Cope. Congrats, you got the first word. Bachi, sure. SHORE, very good. Yes, merong Cope, COPE. Then snore, SNORE, very good. Diretso lang siya dito, ang galing na snore. Yes, as Marie may Cope, COPE, there you go. Scorer, SCOREER, nice word. Core, CORE, good. Sure, SHORE, medyo gagano lang, tapos diretso din dito yung sure. Nice word. Poorer, POORER. Okay, I think I saw the word croons. CR, where do we, dito pala, CROONS. Yes, we have the word croons. Hooray, HOORAY, very good. Scape, yung scape, wala ba siya, pwede ba yung SCAPE na walang E sa unahan? Ay, nilat din ako pwede yung scape na yun. Parang may ganun namang word if I'm not mistaken, right? So I'm looking at the word snoop. S-N-O-O, SNOOP. Yes, pwede yung snoop. Hindi lang ako sure sa meaning ng snoop. Tsaka ako nasa Merriam-Webster Dictionary siya. Alright? Excel, EXCEL. Very good. Scope, SCOPE. Nice word. What else? Pass, PASS. There you go. Okay, ano ba? Croons is CROONS. Yes, meron siya doon. Croons. What else? Hooray. Yes. Meron namang sa dictionary ng hooray, no? HOORAY. I think so. Meron. Parang meron na. Parang nabasa ko na that's din sa dictionary. Yung hooray, di ba? Yung pag nagsasaya. Di ba? Expression. Sure. SHORE. We have that word. Scorer is also a good word. SCORER. Okay, I hope I'm not missing out on any word. If I do, just type them again, all right? Honor,